guys, it's me, Showboy 2. If you guys remember the video that I made, or I woke up in the middle of the night, I gotta tell you that what happened, okay? I know the footage, I saw the footage, because I always check the footage in the night, but I'm not gonna show the footage, because I want to keep my parents and my house safe, so you guys are like, your house is crappy. Okay, so imagine it, okay? Imagine it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. The one thing, okay, do you remember me waking up in the middle of the night? You hear those like tiny ticks in the night. I later found out that it was like a shadow, like a dark walking shadow, like tapping on the wall. And I turn up the brightness, and after I put on this thing, like it catches movement of a person or something that's like not there. It was literally a fucking ghost. A fucking ghost. And after I later told my parents about it, they didn't believe me, and I had to show them the footage. And then after they freaked out, and they said we're gonna like move, and they say they're gonna pay like the neighborhood like money to demolish the house. It's a trailer. And then after we're probably gonna move, or we're probably gonna stay here. But we're gonna try to find a house by 2025, because my parents don't want to live here anymore because what I show them. And then I just agree. But right now I'm packing like the small stuff first, like small, and then the big, small and then the big, small and then big. But I'm not gonna show the new house that we're moving in because I don't want to, so I'm gonna keep it safe. I'm sorry that you guys cannot see anything about black screen. It's because the videos I only make when I make videos, I'm only gonna do this. Just picture it, okay? Picture it. Just picture my face. I'm probably gonna do a face review. And we get to 50 subscribers, I'm gonna do a face review. A face review. And then after my parents started packing small stuff too. And after they like told the school I'm not, they said I can't go to school anymore because but my friend could come over. But yeah, and I'm trying to post videos like of me gaming and all that, but I just can't because I have to get like a GoPro or something like that. But my parents are like, no, probably for Christmas or on your birthday. Plus my birthday's on December. I remember. I keep forgetting because I have to remember so much. It's December 15th. December 15th is my birthday. And then, yeah. Then after, I told my friends, they told their friends. I told my grandpa and grandma, basically my dad's parents. And then, yeah. And then after, we just decided to, like, leave. But right now, my dad decided to, like, live with his dad for a bit. And then, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.